Hello, my name's Rodney Grounds. I'm the Vice President of Sales at Robopac USA. Robopac's a global leader in secondary packaging equipment. Today I'd like to talk to you about case packing flexible bags. We continue to see the food industry moving from packing their product in rigid containers to packing in flexible bags. One of the most popular flexible bag style is the stand-up reusable pouch. Stand-up reusable pouch has become really popular with a lot of retail type applications, but it does present some problems when it comes to case packing those bags. The traditional method of case packing a stand-up reusable pouch is to pack it into an RSC case, or a standard American case. This has some disadvantages actually. First, when you use a RSC case, you're typically considering three separate pieces of equipment to do this automatically. First of all, you have to have an automatic case erector. Secondly, you have to have an automatic case packer. And finally, you have to have a case sealer. And all three of these pieces of equipment have to be connected by conveyor, and that involves integrations and some other things that make it more complicated. The other thing is, once you have all these three pieces of equipment in a line, the line becomes really long. And in today's factory, space is always at a premium, so the smaller footprint, the better. Today, in specific, I wanted to talk to you about a solution that we have here at Robopac called the Sotemapack Wraparound 20. The Sotemapack Wraparound 20, instead of using an RSC case, uses a wraparound case. Some of the benefits that you'll see from a wraparound case: first of all, you use less corrugate, so there is actually a corrugate savings by going to a wraparound case. Secondly, you can have a tighter pack. With our RSC case solution, the case always has to be oversized where you can easily drop the product into the case. With a wraparound case, we're actually building the case around the product as it's traveling through the machine, so the case can be much tighter, which helps with cubing out a truck. It also helps with palletizing, making the cases more rigid. Finally, the RSC case isn't too friendly when you have to have a retail type shelf ready case, while the wraparound case lends itself to a design that can be turned into a retail ready shelf style case. So as an alternative to these three machines and all the conveying and integration, our solution would be a single machine, which is an all-in-one type machine, where we bring the product into the machine, we actually form the case around the product, and we seal the case all in one small footprint that's roughly 15 feet by 15 feet. If you're currently having issues automating the flexible bag packing process into an RSC case, please give us a call at the number below and let us talk to you about our wraparound case solutions.